If you're using HubSpot to automate your marketing, sales, or operations, keeping those workflows healthy is absolutely crucial. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure HubSpot to detect workflow anomalies and set up alerts, so you'll be the first to know if something isn't working as intended, and you can tackle issues before they have an impact. By the end of this video, you'll have proactive monitoring in place to catch workflow hiccups and enrollment spikes, keeping your business running smoothly. Let's jump right in. To start, we want to make sure you're getting notified about specific workflow anomalies and enrollment rate changes. So head over to the Automation tab and click into Workflows. Once you're looking at the list, pick out the workflow you want to monitor more closely. Clicking the workflow brings up all those details and settings unique to it. Now, glance over to the top left and find Settings. This is where we'll fine-tune your notifications. In the right panel under Performance, you have a few powerful options. First, to be alerted when there's an issue with this workflow, toggle on Get Notified when this workflow needs review. Here, you can decide exactly who gets alerted. Maybe it's your CRM manager, maybe a whole team. This is especially useful if you're collaborating with others or want accountability spread out. So think about who's in the best spot to take action. Next, to make sure you catch any dramatic changes in how contacts are flowing into this workflow, toggle Get Notified if the enrollment rate changes. Now, it's not just about knowing something's wrong. You'll be informed if activity spikes, drops, or behaves in ways you probably don't expect. For detection, you can choose between using HubSpot's own Breeze AI, which is fantastic for automatic anomaly detection, kind of like having a vigilant assistant who never sleeps, or you can set a manual threshold. Setting your own threshold gives you control. For example, if you know a certain campaign shouldn't ever double its enrollment rate overnight, you can make that the trigger. Don't stress if you're not sure about the exact numbers to use at first. You can always tweak these settings as you see trends. Once your preferences are set, just click Save, and if you've made any changes in the workflow itself, hit Publish afterwards. That locks in all your alert settings and ensures everyone you selected stays in the loop. With those workflow-level alerts out of the way, let's set up global notifications. You can find this by clicking the Settings icon, usually up top in your navigation bar. In the sidebar on the left, pop into Notifications. Here, you'll decide where these alerts should come through, whether it's email, desktop, or even on your mobile app, depending on what fits your work style. Within the Workflows section, make sure to check the boxes for when a workflow needs review and when an enrollment rate changes. Repeating some of these notification settings on a global level almost acts like a safety net, ensuring that nothing slips through if you happen to miss the workflow-specific notifications. Hit Save when you're done so HubSpot knows where to send those helpful pings. Finally, let's talk about how to respond when you do get those alerts. Sometimes notifications come in at busy times, but reviewing issues is simple. Back in Automation, under Workflows, look to the top right for Review Automation Issues. This dashboard gives you a real snapshot of where things stand. You'll see a list of all workflows that need attention, and you can filter by tool to laser in on just workflows if you use other automation features in HubSpot. Clicking into a specific workflow lets you dig into exactly what's wrong, maybe an enrollment spike, maybe a technical hiccup, or perhaps an action that didn't run. This is your command center for problem solving, so bookmark it if you're responsible for workflow upkeep. Don't worry if you see a lot here at first. The goal is to gradually fix these issues and get more comfortable with interpreting the alerts. The more you use this panel, the easier it gets. That's all there is to it. By taking these steps, you'll set up peace of mind knowing HubSpot has your back and warns you about workflow troubles before they snowball. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. Drop any questions or workflow stories in the comments below, and subscribe for more simple, powerful HubSpot walkthroughs. Thanks for watching.